I guess the question, we were kicking this around a little bit earlier in the newsroom, you've got a bunch of companies that have IPO'd in the tech sector. King Entertainment springs to mind, Zynga springs to mind. These are companies that have essentially a single product that has driven them to the highs that they've achieved. Why is Rovio different to these companies? How do you progress beyond the Angry Bird story?
Hello. Well, I mean, there are tons of things, of course, which makes companies successful. And if you look at Rovio, I mean, we have a very big and great portfolio of games, high-quality games. We have an extremely strong brand. The user acquisition experience and knowledge and the free-to-play experience that we have in-house is in a world-class level, as well as, of course, we have a large player base and excellent cross-promotion capabilities, all in all. So in that sense, we are in a great position with all these skills and experience and the strong brand that we have to grow further.
So you see this as being an organic story rather than an acquisition story. You're not going to use some of the money to go out there and make acquisitions.
Well, that can also, of course, be possible as well, and it has been one of the reasons also that we've set aloud when doing the IPO, that this will enable us to use more efficiently our shares for M&A activities.
Right. So okay, let's just dwell on that point. What's missing from the portfolio right now? What would you really like to get going at Rovio?
Well, you know, we have to really be careful when stepping into this area and have a very clear strategic understanding. What do we need for our operations to grow further? So at this point of time, I mean, there could be possibilities to acquire a new exciting IP, for example, or can be some new technology. Those are just few examples from potential M&A.
It's not just buying new games. You're talking about kind of what drives those games.
Not necessarily. Exactly as you said, it can be something else as well.
The growth numbers that you've been posting are impressive. Sales have grown more than 90% year on year for the prior 2 quarters. Give me a sense of the trajectory going forward and whether or not those kinds of very impressive numbers are going to be maintained.
Well, we've said in our guidance that our aim is to grow faster than the Western market. So that's what we are looking at the moment. Ambition can be something different, but that's the official guidance that we've given out.